Hi, this is Greg with A Complete Remodeling, and welcome to Got a Minute. This is actually part 2 on noise pollution in multiple dwelling units. As we showed you before, this is basically a mock makeup of a truss system with drywall underneath, truss, and your concrete pour on top of it. Basically what we show here is a golf ball, and we watch how many times it bounces. It's not how much noise it makes, it's how many bounces it makes. So the whole goal here is try to reduce the amount of bouncing. Alright? So basically with this, what generally the City of Chicago and surrounding areas recommend is a 1/4-inch layer of cork, and then you could do a composite on top of that. Okay? Here's a composite, so we do the test here. And like I said, we're not talking about noise, we're looking at bounces. And you see that cuts out quite a bit. There's another product you can use which will help deaden the sound even more, and you put that on along with the 1/4-inch cork, and you see it does do a little bit better. Okay, I want to show you the same thing on a concrete slab or a gypcrete slab. Okay, where there's no truss system underneath it. So basically, you drop the golf ball on top of that. You have to be a good catch here. Well, it bounces pretty good, as you see. Okay, so they put a 1/4-inch cork on top of there. You do your composite on top of there, and you see how much it reduces the amount of dropping the golf ball. You use the same product on top of that to help dent it some more, and you see it even drops it a little bit more. Now, very quickly, I'm going to show you the same demonstration doing a 1/4-inch cork and the underlayment on top of there using a vinyl floor product, not a composite. And let's see what the difference is. You see that? Oops. Hardly any bounce whatsoever. And here's the one on the concrete where there's no truss system. We do this. Once again, virtually no bounce. One other thing you could do with a wood truss system, if you wanted to, is you could do a 1/2-inch sound barrier to it, which comes in 4x8 sheets, then do your underlayment like this, and then do your vinyl covering on top. Oops. And it does just about the same amount of bounce to it. The advantage of using a 4x8 sheet of soundboard on top of it, 1/2-inch or so, it makes the plywood floor with the truss system, gives it some more stability, so you won't hear everything moving around on the building, the creaks and all that. So that helps out there quite a bit. So if you have any questions or comments, please call me or email me. This is Greg at A Complete Remodeling, and thank you for viewing into Got a Minute.